I have here a Sony CFD F10. What is fun? Let's see what is moving. Nothing at all is moving. So, this receiver, now the camera I'm recording with at the moment is a very old JVC VHS camera. It's the first time I'm doing a VHS video on this channel. This camera's from 2003 with Super VHS. So this is the Sony. Alright, okay. So this is the Sony. Can we get a light on? Oh, yes we can. So this is very bright light at that. So Sony SFD F10 CD radio, cassette recorder. It's a very light radio. So this radio has quite a this boombox is a boombox. It does not have the speakers with it. Would have had like one of them sliding speakers with it. So at the moment, this has been through quite a life. So I did not know its past history, but the only history I do know is that it is my friend's father's stereo. Has been using it for years, and the dials on it corroded. Or these like it corroded, so he gave it to me, traded me for a Onkyo receiver, and so I gave him an Onkyo receiver for his old radio, which is this one, and this camera. So he's quite happy with the receiver. So I'm gonna plug in this, plug a speaker into it, and see. Unplug that light. There's not another free outlet. Okay, so we have power. Alright, let's get headphones plugged into it. Well, I do not have speakers for it. It takes a proprietary speaker to plug in, which I can just tape on like speaker wires to it, but okay. Alright, so you said the balance was fucked up on here. It's a little messed up, but it does work. It goes side to side. Alright. So it seems to be working fine on there. Now let's get a cassette. See if we can find a cassette. Oh shit, this thing has record. I can finally record music. Let's hope the cassette deck works on here. So let's see if I have it, if I can find a cassette. So in the cabinet, I have it sitting on, I have a cassette. So at the moment, I do have headphones on, very, very nice. Headphones actually have that. They're open back. Oh shit! This sounds pretty nice. Alright, so again, I should have a cassette tape in here somewhere. Struggling. Fine. I'm going to stop the recording. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten the antenna. Pretty long time. Alright, so that's pretty good. Nice. FM 101. Alright, so I got that. Something very, very nice. I should have a set over here. Give me another second. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, so I have a blank cassette tape right here. Does the cassette player work? Nope, it's dead. It's fortunately it did. Cassette. Probably just needs a new belt. That's very unfortunate. Well, guessing by how nice it works. Alright. So I have full speaker setup right here. But now that I do not have the radio receiver here, that's kind of neat. So let's connect the speakers to it. Excuse me. Alright, so let's see if this works. This is the plug on there.
What would be like to be a boat owner? Come on out, man. We're going to get hooked up with some of the best boat dealers in the area. It's pretty cool. It's Voice 100, one of the official media sponsors. We're going to be there all week.
Okay, so yeah, it does work. It works pretty well at that. So now all I need to do, right, is just to see if I can, I just use this as a little radio. So yeah, there's the little showcase of this whole thing. It has, let's see, let's go over. So, okay, it has a FM tuner right here with a rotary equalizer. Ooh, let's see if I can zoom in on this. See. Alright, I can see the rotary equalizer. Okay, so that's a equalizer right here. This is a volume, phones, mix mic, cassette tape doesn't work unfortunately. Tuning, CD controls, more CD controls. Let's see. I believe that works. You got the CD on top. And you got this ridiculously long antenna too. Well yeah, so there, there's a showcase of the Sony CFD F10. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching.